Friends, in this video, we're going to see multiple vacancies. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, pharmajobalert.in, and turn on that notification bell icon. And don't forget to like this video if you found the information helpful to you. So let's get started. All these are walk-in interviews. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, pharmajobalert.in. My dear friends, Lupin Pharma is currently conducting interviews. This is a campus placement drive. So SIP Tech Farm. So for 2021, 2022, 2023 batch candidates. So coming to the department, production API quality function. So B.pharma or BSc or MSc chemistry, biochemistry or pharmaceutical chemistry or diploma chemical candidates can apply for this job opportunity. The documents coming to the
required
next
are
vacancy
updated
is from
CV,
Sterling
recent
Laboratories
photograph,
Private
academic
Limited.
certificate,
So they are also
Aadhaar,
hiring
PAN,
freshers.
previous
This is a
work
walk-in on
documents, if
14th
any.
May. So they are
9 to
looking
2
for
p.m.,
immediate
9 a.m. to
joiners.
2
Walk-in
p.m.,
is 10th
departments
May,
and
9:30
production,
a.m. onwards.
0 to
Venue
4 years
SIP Tech
experience,
Gandhinagar,
qualification
Bhopal.
B.pharm
B.pharm or M.pharm experience in granulation, compression, coating, capsules and packing is required. 6 vacancies are there. Next, quality assurance IPQA 0 to 4 years, 3 vacancies are there. And quality control 3 years experience is 3 vacancies are there. 2 to 4 years experience is required. So you can apply for these vacancies by scanning this QR code and attend the walk-in interview. So these are the details: interview venue, unit 2, plot number. So here you can see Industrial Park 2, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. So coming to the next vacancy from Aishwarya Healthcare, Buddy. So they are looking for experienced candidates for quality control, quality assurance. So these are the details. Date of walk-in are from 8th to 13th May, 10 a.m. to 14 p.m. So you can attend till the 13th of this month. So you can also share your CV to the following mail ID. HR mail ID is provided here. You can see it on the screen. You can also contact them. They are looking for officer, IPQA officer, quality control officer, artwork, executive QMS, senior executive validation, and assistant manager. So coming to the next vacancy, Arbindo Pharma, walk-in interview Sunday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Arbindo Pharma, Unit 15, which is Jawaharlal Nehru Pharma City, Paravada, Vishakhapatnam. The departments of production, oral solid dosage form, technician or executive, 2 to 6 years of experience, quality control, 2 to 8 years of experience, and quality assurance, 2 to 8 years of experience. Work location, APL Healthcare Limited, Unit 4, Noidapeta, Andhra Pradesh. So coming to the next vacancy is from Intas Pharmaceuticals. This is a walk-in interview for officer or executive, department production, MFG filling. So qualification B.pharm, M.pharm or M.Sc, 1 to 5 years of experience, injectable facility. Date of walk-in is 12th May, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Venue Intas Pharmaceuticals Limited, Plasma Fractionation Center. So Technopark, Sahej Bawla Highway, Matoda, Ahmedabad. Scan the QR code for exact location. So these are the details, my dear friends. Walk-in is on 12th May, Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So my dear friends, coming to the next vacancy from Amystop Enterprises Private Limited, walk-in interview. Here you can see uh, Madakal district. This is a walk-in at Madakal. So the venue is plot number 104, Apparel Export Park, Charmas backside lane near Dolpalli village, Madakal. So the walk-in is on 12th May. From 8, started from 8th, but you can attend from tomorrow also on 10th, 11th, and 12th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Applicants who are unable to attend, you can share your CV to the mail ID. So the department is quality assurance. Position is head, 3 to 5 years of experience. BSc, MSc, B.pharm or any degree. So coming to the next vacancy is from Lupin. So this is a walk-in on Sunday. Saturday and Sunday, Vadodara and Ankleshwar. So job location is Mandidi, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh for quality control, API formulation, quality assurance, and API formulation. So the venues are here. You can see 113th May Saturday, Vadodara, Gujarat, and on 14th May at Ankleshwar. So coming to the next vacancy, SMS Pharmaceuticals Limited, walk-in interview, production quality control departments. 13th May, job location is Hyderabad, production, freshers to 6 years API experience, BSc or MSc, B.pharm or M.pharm. And quality control, freshers to 6 years experience, the qualification is same, experience in testing of raw materials, in process stability and finished goods. Interview venue, SMS Pharmaceuticals, Unit 2, plot number 24 and 24B, 3637 SV Corporate Industrial Estate. So the interview date is 13th May. So more male candidates are preferable.